In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card in the DoorDash app. Whether it's a special gift or just a convenient way to manage expenses, using your Visa gift card on DoorDash is really straightforward. I'll walk you through the process so you can enjoy your favorite meals without any hassle. First, let's start by opening the DoorDash app or visit their website if you prefer using a computer. Once you've got the platform open and ready, the next thing you want to do is make an order. Browse through the available restaurants or stores and select the items you wish to purchase. You can take your time here to choose what you're really craving for. There's no rush. When you've made your selection, it's time to add the items to your cart. Simply click on the option that says Add Order. You'll notice on the bottom of your screen a red cart icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will show you the contents of your cart so you can review everything before you continue. Once you're happy with your selection, click on Continue to proceed. Now comes the important part, choosing your payment method. You'll see various options, and you want to click on the one that says Credit Debit Card. This is where you'll be adding the details of your Visa gift card. Take your Visa gift card and carefully enter the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV or security code in the designated fields. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any processing errors. If you're unsure, sometimes it helps to double check each digit just for peace of mind. After entering the details, the next step is to click on the button that says Add Card. This will save your Visa gift card as a payment method on your account. Once confirmed, you can finalize your purchase and wait for your delicious order to be prepared and delivered straight to your doorstep. That's it. You've successfully used your Visa gift card on DoorDash. Just remember that if the amount on your Visa gift card doesn't cover your entire order, DoorDash will usually allow you to cover the remaining balance with another payment method. It's an easy, seamless process enabling you to enjoy your meals without concern. If you frequently receive Visa gift cards, it's a good way to use them conveniently through this app. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to use a Visa gift card with DoorDash. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. Enjoy your meal.